In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate objects and create animations on Canva. Whether you're new to Canva or you've been using it for a while, this guide will walk you through the steps to bring your designs to life using animation. First off, start by visiting the Canva website. Open your preferred web browser and type in canva.com. Once the website loads, you'll want to log into your account if you haven't already. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen and click on Log In. Enter your credentials, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Canva dashboard where all your previous designs reside. Now, on your Canva dashboard, you'll find various designs you've worked on. For this tutorial, let's focus on one design you'd like to animate. Look through your existing projects and click on the design you want to edit. If you're starting with a new project, you'll need to create a design first before diving into animation. Once your chosen design is open, the next step involves selecting the image or object you wish to animate. Simply click on the object within your design. You'll notice a bounding box appear around the selected item, indicating that it's ready for editing. With the object selected, head over to the top of the screen and click on the Animate button. This is where the magic happens. Canva offers a number of built-in animations you can apply to your objects. You'll find these options neatly laid out along the left-hand sidebar after clicking the Animate button. Now, take a moment to scroll through the animation options available. Canva provides a variety of animations such as fades, pans, pops, and more, giving you the flexibility to choose how you want your object to move. This is the fun part, experimenting with different animations to see which one best enhances your design. As you explore, you'll notice that each animation provides a brief preview illustrating what it will look like when applied. Spend some time here to find the right effect that brings out the best in your design. Once you've decided on a specific animation, click on it and it will be applied to your object. To see your animated masterpiece in action, click the play button typically located at the top of your editor. This will give you a real-time preview of how your animation looks as part of the overall design. And there you have it, the steps to animate objects in Canva. Remember, animation can add a dynamic element to any project, so don't be afraid to explore different animations and see what works best. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing with Canva!